In this episode, we're exploring 4 historic downtown tours. Care for a stroll?
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
Ashland sits on the shores of Lake Superior at Chequamegon Bay in northern Wisconsin. The first settlers came to Ashland in 1854, but a series of troubles drove most of them away by 1870. Prosperity later returned in the form of logging and iron ore mining in the area, and Ashland quickly came to be. Here we have another community full of breathtaking art. However, the murals here in Ashland are created by just 2 local artists. Sue Martinson started painting murals with fellow artist Kelly Meredith 21 years ago, when they received a grant for the first historical mural to be made downtown. Today, the city is full of their work.
I do mural tours, and quite often the tourists will say to me when they're done, "Oh my goodness, I didn't know Ashland had such fabulous history." And I tell them, your community has fabulous history. You just haven't paid attention to it. Because all of our murals in Ashland are historical and based on actual historical accounts and photographs. That requires a lot of research. And because quite often now community people suggest a mural, we'll work with those community people to help develop the design and research and get those photographs. Once that's done, then the painting process starts.
So this is the Lumberjack Mural?
Correct.
Feels very Northwoods appropriate.
It is.
Tell me a little bit about the history and why this was selected as a theme of this particular mural.
This was a wall that was suggested to us by the business owner. They said, you can do any theme that you want. We thought, what was a big industry? And obviously the lumber industry was huge in all of northern Wisconsin. And so that's what we decided we would do. And then we started to try and figure out, how do we show somebody walking by or driving through how big an impact the loggers made in this community.
When you look at a mural, I think it raises so many questions. It's not all just outrightly obvious as to what you can tell. There's a story behind what you're seeing. And then that I'm guessing that's a big part of the reason as to why you offer tours like this one.
It is.
Okay.
It really is. We started referring to them as our outdoor museums, which is really what they are. I like to think that these people and these buildings really still exist, and that they will just step off the wall and tell somebody a story. The trouble was, we needed a brochure for other people to understand that.
Yes. Makes total sense.
Exactly.
All right, Sue, so this is the women's mural.
Correct.
I like it already.
Of course.
Yes. How many women do we have up here?
We have 32 women
32
up here. We actually got submissions, across eras up until modern time. We have nurses, teachers, homemakers, civic leaders, everything. Everybody wanted to document the railroads or the logging industry. And so necessarily they were mostly men. But who was always in the background? Who was always helping and doing and picking up the slack were the women. And that's what these women did. And that's why we depicted them on this mural. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Very cool. As Sue likes to say, the walls are alive with the past here in Ashland. And with such a deep history, there are so many more stories still waiting to be told here.
People will say to me, well, you should be painting in New York or Chicago. No, people from Chicago should be coming here and finding out what the history of a small town is like.
Head to discoverwisconsin.com to check out some of the action behind the scenes of this episode.